Welcome to my page. This is a Union Pacific Wear Plan. Out behind this camera, here comes the freight train. I'm going to be inside the museum. Hope you enjoy. is southbound. He's going to the northbound, and he's going to come right back. I'm sorry it's raining, but I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Is a Union Pacific Rail fan, and he will be back. So I love you guys so much. So I love you. Have a good day. I'm going to be down here for a while until he comes back. So going to be freight train all week. Tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. On Saturday is going to be at the passenger train. But on Sunday, I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be at church. So love you guys so much. So I'm going to be down here for a while. So I love you guys, and have a good day. Love you. I will see you down there.